9 foods that cleanse your kidneys fast. Before we dive into our main topic, let me briefly discuss what happens if you don't take care of your kidneys. Your kidneys are the major detoxification organs. They are needed for removing wastes from your body, balancing body fluids, creating urine, and assisting with other bodily processes. But what happens if your kidneys aren't working well because you didn't take care of them? Kidney damage. Over time, unfiltered waste products can damage the delicate filtering system in your kidneys. High blood pressure. Healthy kidneys help regulate blood pressure. When they're not functioning properly, it can lead to hypertension. Electrolyte imbalance. Kidneys play a role in balancing electrolytes in your body. An imbalance can cause fatigue, muscle cramps, and even heart problems. Kidney failure. In severe cases, untreated kidney problems can lead to complete kidney failure, which requires dialysis or a kidney transplant. So, it's really important to keep our kidneys healthy, and we can start by eating these foods that aren't just healthy but can also support in cleansing the kidneys fast. Without further ado, let's start. 1. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, which acts as a natural antioxidant. Antioxidants help fight inflammation, which is beneficial for overall kidney health. Inflammation in the kidneys can lead to various kidney problems, so consuming foods like bell peppers that contain antioxidants can help reduce this risk. 2. Cranberries. Cranberries are well known for their ability to fight urinary tract infections. They contain compounds that prevent bacteria from sticking to the bladder and kidneys, called proanthocyanidins. They also contain antioxidants that fight harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and supporting kidney health. Moreover, their natural acidic nature can help prevent certain types of kidney stones by making your pee more acidic. This can stop some kinds of kidney stones from forming. Additionally, cranberries act as mild diuretics, increasing urine production to flush out toxins and bacteria from the kidneys. Incorporating them into your diet can help maintain kidney health and prevent urinary tract infections. 3. Seaweed. Brown seaweed, in particular, has been studied for its beneficial effects on various organs, including the pancreas, kidneys, and liver. Seaweed helps in kidney cleansing because it contains nutrients like iodine, calcium, and magnesium that support kidney health. It also has compounds called alginates that can bind to toxins and heavy metals, helping the body to get rid of them. It may also help regulate blood pressure by inhibiting certain enzymes, reducing strain on the kidneys. 4. Fruit juices. Fruit juices like lemon, orange, and melon aid kidney cleansing mainly by providing hydration and containing beneficial nutrients. Lemon and orange juices are rich in citric acid, which helps prevent kidney stone formation by binding to calcium in the urine. They also have antioxidants that protect the kidneys from damage. Melon juices in particular act as natural diuretics, increasing urine production to flush out toxins. Additionally, they contain electrolytes like potassium, crucial for kidney health. While these juices can be helpful, it's important to consume them in moderation and opt for whole fruits whenever possible for added fiber and nutrients. 5. Ginger. Ginger aids kidney cleansing, mainly because it acts as a natural diuretic, promoting increased urine production that helps flush out toxins and waste from the kidneys. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce inflammation in the kidneys, protecting them from damage and supporting their function. Ginger's antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals, which can harm kidney cells. This is good for your kidneys because it makes their job easier and keeps them healthy. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties may prevent urinary tract infections that can affect kidney health. Incorporating ginger into your diet in moderation can offer these benefits for kidney cleansing and overall well-being. Before we continue, if you're enjoying our topic so far, can you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel? Thanks. 6. Garlic. Garlic is known for its various health benefits, including its ability to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure can strain the kidneys over time, so consuming garlic may help reduce this strain and promote kidney health. 7. Apples. Apples aid in kidney cleansing primarily because they're high in fiber and antioxidants. The fiber, especially soluble fiber like pectin, helps keep digestion regular, preventing toxins from building up in the body. Antioxidants found in apples, such as flavonoids and vitamin C, fight harmful free radicals that can damage kidney cells. Apples also contribute to hydration due to their high water content, which supports kidney function by flushing out toxins through urine. Their low sodium content makes them a kidney-friendly snack, particularly for those with high blood pressure or kidney disease. 8. Blueberries. These little guys are full of antioxidants that can help fight free radical damage throughout your body, including your kidneys. They also have compounds that reduce swelling in the kidneys, keeping them healthy. Also, blueberries can make you pee more, which helps flush out toxins and waste from your kidneys. They may also stop bacteria from sticking to your bladder and kidneys, which can cause infections. Plus, blueberries can lower blood pressure, which is good again for your kidneys. 9. Sea bass. Sea bass can help with kidney cleansing because it contains omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation in the kidneys, keeping them healthy. It's also low in phosphorus, which is important for people with kidney problems because too much phosphorus can be harmful. Sea bass provides high-quality protein that supports muscle health without overloading the kidneys with waste products. Additionally, it's rich in vitamins and minerals, like vitamin D and selenium, which are good for overall health and kidney function. Including sea bass in your diet in moderation can be a part of keeping your kidneys clean and working well. While diet can help support kidney health, it's also important to maintain a healthy lifestyle, and most importantly, stay hydrated.